So how to enable auto dubbing on your for your videos. If you go any videos to my channel, then you can see it's showing auto dubbing. How to content optimize auto dubbing, it's automatically dubbed to another language. So how to enable it? For that, go your YouTube studio, and from here you have to go the setting option, and under setting you can see the channel option, then press on upload default, then press on advanced feature, then you can see automatic dubbing. You just enable it. So once you enable it, and your if your channel is eligible for dubbing, then you can see this kind of message: auto dubbing is earned channel. So you just confirm that this message is showing up on your channel. So once it's showing, and if you enable this setting at the same time, then you can see this kind of auto dubbing feature for your YouTube video. If I go the setting, then auto tracking, then you can see lot of means 6 language as a auto dubbing. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.